Hello, good day, all my dear friends. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here I show you this massive excavator from LESU 1 to 14 scale front shovel 9150 libre hair excavator, and with open shovel, with hydraulic ladder, all arm double cylinders. So let's see what this one can do. Yeah. So with lights, turn around, arm have these lights circulating to turn on. And also have controllable 2 warning lights, shifting different flashing. And now I assembled it with our customized sound system and smoking here. That's the smoking unit, heating, blower, and here this is the soundboard, combining with the hydraulic throttle. So when making the hydraulic motion, we are coming more smoke. So let's start the horn, engine sound. Can decrease, increase the volume. Now let's decrease the volume. Decreasing. Stop. Remaining this volume. Increase volume. Going up. And almost maximum, we will stop it. Now it's almost maximum volume. Stop. Track sound, spinning it, rotation sound, hydraulic sound, so mix control for the pump here. And here, check the smoking. I will turn around. Now it's very little smoking. Yeah? When I do a few times hydraulic, it will blow in more. Now it's coming smoke. When you're doing hydraulic motion, it's coming more smoke. Stop it, it's only a little idle engine sound and very little smoking coming. So that's throttle smoking coming with the hydraulic motion. Here, that's the ladder. Check it out, put it down. Rising. Let's raising the arm and bucket to see the double cylinders. So at the bottom, 2 big cylinders with this guide protection plate. This is steel wire, this CNC protection the cylinder, and all double connections from left and right side. 2 cylinders here, metal pipe on the cylinder going to the front arm, and bucket 2 cylinder. These 2 special have 2 here, 2 pressure release valve. So imagine when you do the digging, the bucket stuck with rocks. So not to burst the oil hose because too much power in it. So here it's adjusting the pressure. If stuck in with rocks, the pressure will be released when the bucket cannot move. So release the pressure not to burst out all these holes. And for opening the bucket, you will check when you open it. You will see this side, that's one connection for inside 1 cylinder, and also 1 more cylinder at the right side. Doing the digging. Very smooth, double pump, so to supply enough oil. Shaking it, unloading, fully open. With this shining copper tooth, it's looking magnificent. So beautiful with all these details. So let's see the details of this one. So two side door can be open. Here that's the double pump. A big cooler to ensure long time running, the system will be cooled, not getting hot. So in this box, inside that's all the ESC control unit. Here the decorating exhaust extinguisher is also it's a metal one. Rear side light on. Smoking coming from here, lifting up the cover. Here can put, this space can put big 3S battery, yeah? And here, two receivers for all the function control. That's the top of the two pumps. One more USB-C to supply power to the receiver because the sound and the smoking is consuming a lot of power, yeah? And I will turn more. At this position, here that's one industrial level pressure release valve for adjusting the pressure. And here that's the main line for oil suction discharging, yeah? From here to the oil tank. It's this one, that's the oil tank. That's the rotation brushless motor, slowly start rotation with protection CNC alloy, yeah? And here all these details. Also here have one more box cover can be opened, empty inside for putting tools. And the rear side of this cabin, all these lights, decorating roof, opening the door. Inside got the screen. Here that's the power switch. Pushing up, it's power on. Pushing down, power off. Screen now it's showing voltage. And let's see the pressure. Also, it's showing, yeah, it's only showing the battery voltage and the current. And also the oil temperature, 29 degrees now. Pull down the ladder. You will see there, that's the small cylinder, yeah. This position, moving. You can control it to be speed up or slowly by opening the valve more or less. So also means control the pump, more load or less load for controlling the speed. So side door can be open. All this platform for manual mango on top. So open this door. Here we got the oil connections and the pressure gauge. Start the pump directly to see the pressure around 4 MPa. So 3.5 to 4, that's normal operation pressure, yeah. Secured by magnet. So that's a exhaust, steel one, shining, yeah, that's a big speaker. Covered back. All this nice arrangement with shiny metal pipe. Have decorating this pipe. So beautiful designing with all these magnificent details. And if we're looking from this angle, you will see that's the splitter separating the oil channel for opening the bucket. And the sound goes off exactly like a real machine. Yeah? Thank you for watching this all beautiful, delicate designing and manufacturing from LESU front shovel 9150 excavator. 55 kg, and with our customized sound system smoking, make it more realistic for playing. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you.